What is AnyViewer? AnyViewer is comprehensive remote access, remote control and remote support software, which allows you to remotely assist customers, collaborate with colleagues, help your friends and family, or easily connect your own devices. AnyViewer is a fast and secure remote desktop software for Windows. Safely access remote computers for Windows, quickly transfer files between local and remote PCs, easily offer remote support to customers, and flexibly play PC games from any place. A free yet powerful remote desktop connection software for Windows PCs and Windows Server, and definitely will be your choice that you won't regret it. Safe and reliable. For remote connection activity, security can be the first thing that users are concerned about. AnyViewer is secured by ECC, elliptic curve cryptography encryption, protecting your data from leakage. Fast and stable. AnyViewer helps you to complete stable and fast remote connections to transfer files from one PC to another or multiple PCs at the same time with high image quality. Flexible and considerate. Intuitive and concise interface guides you through a remote access computer easily. Meanwhile, the Remote Desktop Manager has flexible connection methods, automatic updates, and multiple language support. What AnyViewer can do for you. Get remote access to the work computer. Need to access work PC from outside for necessary data on it but don't know how to set up VPN or perform port forwarding for using RDP. Get the ultra-simple AnyViewer remote access software and you can remotely access the work computer from home or during the trip without complicated settings. Transfer files between local and remote devices. One click to transfer files and folders between local and remote computers without extra operation of saving any file. AnyViewer allows you to directly and smoothly send files from the local folder to any remote folder and vice versa, like you are on one computer. Fix technical issues without being on site. Required to fix clients' technical issues quickly when you are in a remote location. AnyViewer remote support software enables you to get unattended or attended access and control of the desktops, laptops, or servers without physical presence. It also has extended functions to improve the efficiency. Play PC games from elsewhere. You have built a perfect game environment on your home gaming PC. How to play your favorite game when you are at the office or in bed? Why not use AnyViewer remote control software to connect to your home computer for remote games whenever you want and where you are? Remotely access work PC from anywhere. Conveniently access your remote work PC at home, on a trip, or abroad with AnyViewer. Why need to remotely access work PC? Transfer work files. What to do when you receive a sudden overtime notice at home and need the necessary files on your office computer? Just access your office computer and transfer files remotely to your computer at hand. Manage power remotely. When you suddenly remember that you forget to turn off your work computer on your way to a business trip, what will you do? Just remotely access it using your laptop. To upgrade Office PC. How to upgrade your work computer when you are not in the office around it. Just remotely access your work computer and make it stay online and upgrade. Why choose AnyViewer? AnyViewer has a simple and intuitive interface, ensuring you an easy remote access process. Ensures you fast remote access to other computers without lag. Secured by elliptic curve cryptography (ECC) encryption. Provides you with stable remote access without sudden breakdown. What can AnyViewer do? Unattended remote access. AnyViewer allows you to access unattended computers via security code. Changeable resolution. Users can select the appropriate resolution according to the network speed and computer configuration. Image quality. Users can choose high or low image quality according to the network speed. Full screen. Users can resize the remote desktop window to full screen, making you feel like as if you are actually in front of that PC. Hide wallpaper. Users can hide the wallpaper of the host computer to make the remote access run smoother. Shortcuts. AnyViewer provides users with shortcuts of some practical operations such as lock, restart, task manager, and CMD, making the remote access more convenient. How can AnyViewer achieve unattended remote access? AnyViewer allows you to achieve unattended remote access, which means you can remotely access another computer to view files and folders even there's no one sitting in front of it. Step 1. Sign up for AnyViewer. Download, install, and open AnyViewer on both devices. Go to Login and sign up for AnyViewer. Step 2. Log into the same account. Then you'll automatically log into AnyViewer. Log into the same account on the two devices. After login, the PC will be assigned to the account automatically. Step 3. Achieve unattended remote access. Choose the device you want to connect to under My Devices and then click Remote Control to achieve unattended remote access. Note: to connect in privacy mode, upgrade to an advanced plan. AnyViewer File Transfer. Securely transfer files from computer to another over the internet. Transfer files from the work computer in or outside of the office. Support transfers large files between remote and local devices. Enable file sharing without full control of the remote computer. Why use AnyViewer? To transfer files between remote computers, you need to establish a connection between the PCs. AnyViewer can be your perfect solution for remote file transfer out of its fast speed, intuitive interface and high security standard. No space limit. AnyViewer enables you to transfer files from your work computer to your local desktop or laptop when you are home, at a trip, or somewhere else. Fast speed. Supported by a strong technical team, AnyViewer enables you to transfer files from into remote desktops with fast speed. The maximum file transfer speed can be up to 10 megabytes per second. Strong usability. With an intuitive and reasonable interface, remote file transfer in AnyViewer can be a piece of cake even for a green hand. High security. The whole data exchange is protected by end-to-end ECC encryption, protecting your files and folder from being pried by others. More features you can use in AnyViewer. Check recently connected devices. In the currently connected list, black the screen of the recipient. Multiple monitors display supported. Assign computers to your account for secure unattended remote access. And disable the mouse and keyboard of the recipient. Provide remote support instantly. Remotely support your customers, families, or friends to help them solve any IT problem instantly. Convenient and secure remote support. Toolbar. Use shortcuts of some practical operations such as lock, restart, task manager and CMD, facilitating the remote support process. One-to-many support. Remotely supports several customers or colleagues at the same time, greatly saving time and energy. Instant chat. Communicate with the recipient during a remote support session, helping the controller to resolve the issue quicker. Security concern. Block the mouse and keyboard of the controller from the recipient side, further protecting the data security of the host computer. Why control the PC remotely from another PC? Nowadays PCs have been widely in all fields. There are many occasions when you need to control a remote PC from another one. Two examples are demonstrated here. Example 1. Your colleague needs your help to fix some PC issues when you are not on the same floor. Then you can control the PC from your local PC to save your time and energy. Example 2. You are on a business trip but need to complete the work remotely and the necessary files are saved on your office PC. You can control the PC remotely to complete unfinished work. AnyViewer is a powerful and professional remote desktop utility for accessing PCs from a PC, iPhone, iPad, or Android device. For Windows PCs, it supports Microsoft Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows servers. To control the computer from the iOS or Android device, you can download AnyViewer from the Apple Store and Google Play Store. For iOS devices, it supports from iOS 10 to iOS 16. For Android devices, it supports Android version 6 and later. To control the PC remotely from another PC, use AnyViewer, which enables you to control computers remotely from another PC in different networks without port forwarding, and offers various features in remote sessions, like resolution change, file transfer, and so on. Thanks for watching, and thanks for appreciating my shared knowledge. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also click all for the notification bell to notify you for my next updates.